Hi, this is Zoe with my husband, Matt, on our debut trip to Dubai. We are just checked into security for a 10-hour flight and we'll check in when we get there.
Alright, finally arrived in Dubai.
It's 1 a.m.
We left the East Coast 10:30 p.m. on a Wednesday, arriving at Dubai Friday 1 a.m.
Now we're gonna go get our rental car and go to the hotel and crash.
Yes, finally get some sleep.
What are we doing tomorrow, Matthew?
Yas Marina Circuit!
We're on our way to the Yas Marina, which is one of Matt's bucket list items.
Yeah. A popular Formula One circuit. There's actually a Formula One race going on in 2 weeks. We're going to be doing a venue tour. We also wanted to be doing a driving experience, but unfortunately they closed down the track 2 weeks prior, 2 weeks after the event, which I did not know. So we are making the best. We're just doing a 2-hour venue tour.
This is the Yas Central, where we're signing in for the venue tour. Matt, tell us what cars are on display on the front here.
Looks like Mercedes AMG GT. It's all Mercedes, basically.
What's special about them?
F-Type. So this is the Yas Marina Circuit. We are on the venue tour right now. It is pretty hot out in November. It's like 80 degrees out. They're getting ready for the Formula One event in 2 weeks. So this is actually the last venue tour before they restart back up in December. So I'm glad to be here. I've raced on this track plenty of times in video games, and it's amazing to finally be here actually in real life.
Now we're going to go check out one of the villas where, is it guests that stay?
No, the race car drivers.
Oh, the race car drivers will stay here during the day.
And if you have a yacht, you can watch the race from your yacht around here.
The marina where they would park their yacht. We just entered into the living facilities. It looks like there's no furniture, but maybe this is like a sunroom. The living room. There's IKEA near here that we drove by, so there's like what, 5 rooms or something?
Smells fresh.
Yes. Balcony. I don't know. Open the door. Oh, people are going back into the bus already. Yes. Oh yeah. Pretty roomy. There's men's and women's bathrooms. These markings on the ground that we're looking at, it's where the race cars would be parked, getting ready to start.
It's a really quite an experience for me being able to set foot on this track. It's very surreal. You know, only driving this track in video games, actually being able to step foot on it.
And after the best timing to start the traditional races, today's date obviously, Henry Marshall, the security steward with the team. He will be here in the festival. Second, Formula One management. It's missing one Jetski ride. That will be for Charlie White. He has his own carbon fiber desk. He travel all around the world with his carbon fiber desk. Third level is for Abu Dhabi, most of his sports matches. Any question about this race?
Good morning. We are here waiting for our jet ski tour on the second full day in Dubai. It's going to start in a few minutes. Where are we going to visit today?
So we'll be passing by the Burj Al Arab, the Palm Jumeirah, got to see Atlantis. Should be a fun 2-hour tour, discovery tour. Yeah, we'll get some good pics when we're out on the water.
At the end of the Palm Jumeirah, and Atlantis is behind us, or not, well, it's 360, so I guess it's all around us. And yeah, I mean, you can see the back of the size of the palm here. You can't really see the edge of it, and you can't really see the shape of the palm unless you're in the air. We're taking a little break, and then we're heading back in. That was a lot of fun. We made it to the southern part of the city. The skyline is quite amazing, and the water's a bit bumpy. I felt like I was gonna fall off quite a few times, but we made it, and it was a lot of fun. Was it one of the better jet ski experiences for you?
Yeah, beautiful out here.
Wait, how do you think about the bumpy water?
Yeah, it was really bumpy.
And everybody else being able to pull ahead in front of us.
Yeah, guess we're kind of slow.
We were. It's not. We're pretty fast though, I think, to me. But.
All right, taking a small break right here, and you can see there's the Burj Al Arab.
Thank you, Sea Ride Dubai. That was an exhilarating experience. We're now heading back home.
My ass hurts so much.
Huh?
My ass hurts so much.
Going back to the hotel and take a shower, and then the Dolphinarium is next.
It's like how you want it to.
Oh, put this on top.
This,
Okay, it's a placement. Thank you.
Smells good.
Yeah, it does.
Of you?
Thank you.
Potato fries.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alright,
Alright guys, we are at Omnia Restaurant. We just had our jet ski tour. It's a blast, 2-hour tour, and now we're starving. I ordered a Wagyu beef and fries, and my wife ordered
The seafood biryani. It's like a traditional Arab dish, I think, because it's common around here.
it's very good.
We're gonna try it. It
I'm
looks
a man
very
of simple
good.
taste, so let's see.
You're gonna see a lot of burgers and pizza on our videos.
Very good.
Oh wait, I haven't said. Let me take a. I have to take a taste test. Her shrimp is really good. It's like rice with different things
Take
in
some
there.
of yours.
Carrots.
Alright, we just got our room upgraded. We're at the Carlton Downtown Hotel. Just got us 2-bed suite, 2 bathrooms. Pretty nice. We were in a smoking room earlier, and it had just 2 single beds. And now we have, looks like 2 kings.
Welcome to my office.
Pretty sweet.
We're now approaching the Burj Al Arab, where the most exclusive people stay. The rooms start at minimum 1,200 square feet. And we couldn't get in there, so we had to find parking in the nearby neighborhood. We're gonna see what we can see inside.
Alright guys, here's the Burj Khalifa. It's quite a wonder. It's nicknamed for having 7-star hotel, the only hotel in the world that has that rating. I just asked the security guard, the cheapest room they have available is 9,000 dirhams, which is equivalent to about 2,500 USD. So maybe if I win the lottery one day, we'll be able to stay.